Alright guys, this is my 5-drawer US General tool cart. Picked it up maybe 2 months ago from Harbor Freight. It's been working fine. And here's a little tool tour. So I just kind of work on random stuff in the garage here. I truck occasionally and whatnot, so I don't need nothing fancy. Whatever gets the job done. But yeah, so up here I just got this little magnetic tray. Then down here I got basically all my sockets, my ratchets, breaker bar and whatnot. So these, just a pry bar set from Walmart, just a cheap set, as you can tell. They work great. Then for metric 1/2 inch, that's just a cheap Pittsburgh set from Harbor Freight. As you can tell, a bunch of skips. Then down here, 1/2 inch chrome shorts. These are Hart, which basically all, for the most part, all these chrome ones are. But and then for 1/2 inch standard, I have for Deeps Craftsman. They're made in USA ones, so decent ones. And this just a random one. And also this one is a Craftsman USA, another Craftsman, and then the rest are Hart 1/2 inch shorts. And then for 3/8 we have Harts for Deep. Missing a bunch. They all came in like a tool box set. And then I have one Snap-on 15 mil swivel 3/8. Found that working on something before. Shorts, more Hart for metric 3/8. And then Hart 3/8 standard Deeps, Hart 3/8 shorts, a random old plug. As you can tell, she's pretty beat. Oh, this is 11/32, but they didn't have it here, so just put it there. And then for 1/4 inch drive, all Harts, Deep, metric, all Hart. Shorts, this is a Stanley, Harts, standard, Harts, shorts, standard. So yeah, basically for the most part all Harts and a few Craftsman Pittsburgh. Then just got what is that, like a 3-inch extension. And then so up here got Snap-on. Snap-on pocket screwdriver. So story behind that, and then this Napa 1/2 inch breaker bar. Found both of those at a garage sale for $1 for both of them, and then 1/4 inch just cheap beater ratchet, 1/4 inch Hart ratchet. Pretty good ratchet. Then one of these flexible extensions. These are nice. It was nice for doing my wide bridge. On my truck, little random bit screwdriver, just a beater, 3/8 flex head. For my bit driver, adapters, swivel, 3/8 heart ratchet, 1/2" heart ratchet, and then a magnet down here, extends, just a Walmart cheap one, and a few other miscellaneous extensions. Kind of keep them with, so like this is 3/8, so I keep it with these 3/8 ones. Same goes for all of them. So then in this first drawer, I have just a few random things. I try to just keep in here like what I really use to roll around. So zip ties, always need those. Razor blade, a few Sharpies, and paint marker, a little file, triangle file, some thread locker. And if you're wondering what all these are, I actually get these from my work. They're little desking bags, so they just kind of absorb the moisture, kind of keep the rust or whatever off the tools, is my thoughts. And then this little snap-on 1/4" torque wrench, got that off of a buddy. Got a good deal on that, even though I don't really work for 1/4" much or whatever. But then this drawer is pretty empty. It's just not really sure what I want to put in here yet. It's the deeper drawer of them. But I got this impact driver set, cause had to do the stator on that. Then there's second drawer down here. Got some Torx, some Allens, and then an Icon shallow impact 1/2" drive. I got this set for over half off because it was missing the 21, and I'm gonna get that one in there because it's only like $3 for that one. So I got this brand new for a lot cheaper than new. I think it was like $20 or something. It was not much more than $20. And then these third drawer, so this would be my wrench drawer. So basically all Pittsburgh in here. I have some more wrenches over here, but I use these for, say, if I'm like underneath a vehicle. These work nice for, you just set it on the floor, open it up next to you. Same with this Stanley set. It's a nice floor set basically for when you're underneath a vehicle. So Pittsburgh standards, just cheap set. Pittsburgh Pro ratcheting set standard. I got that for real cheap because it was missing a wrench too. Some stubby standard and metric, and then metrics. Some bigger wrenches here. These go basically 9 to 32, you know, various skips. 1/4" to 1 1/8, also various skips. And that's basically the wrench drawer. And then this drawer will be all my Milwaukee stuff. So everything in here except for this 1/2" impact came in a set. So this will be the hacksaw. This is all the M12 stuff too. So sawzall, little sawzall, a drill, flashlight, 3/8 ratchet, the bit driver. That's what I use this for a lot of times. And then my 1/2" Impact Stubby M12 brushless. As you can tell, this has got its fair share of use. Use that very often. And then I just have 4 batteries. I got the 4.0, 2.0, and then these two 1.5s that came with this set. And yeah. And then I got the little side shelf, and I keep a little rag and old work shirt, and some brake parts cleaner, starting fluid, WD-40, anti-seize. And if I need anything else, it's just right up here in this cupboard. Got some, you know, chain lubes and oils and whatnot. And yeah, so that's basically it for the toolbox. Most of these tools I got very recently. Same with the box. So, 'cause I've never really had too many tools in here. Used to be my uncle's garage, and obviously when he left, he took everything. So, started out with an empty garage, and yeah, just trying to work from there. He built a 10-foot extension on it right before winter, so it's not finished yet. And yeah, still a work in progress. Those two Warriors are my uncle's, and that's my bike and my girlfriend's bike. And yeah, so there it is. 5-drawer tool cart from Harbor Freight. Thanks for watching.